Loading or moving shipping containers is a lot easier with the Low Pro Pocket Plug Container Skate from ITI. This patented skate has a low-profile design with a raised plug that fits nicely into the oblong pocket in the corner of the container, while the rounded ends help to ease the transition from the ground surface to the angle of a rollback or trailer. It's 12 inches long by 5.5 inches wide by 2 3/4 inches tall. The newest addition to its design is the optional quarter-turn locking tab to the top side. The steel plate is held in place by a recessed through bolt with a locking nut, flat washer, and stainless steel friction washer. Once the container skate is inserted into the corner pocket of the C-can, the safety tab can be turned a quarter turn in either direction to hold the skate in place. The locking tab prevents the skate from disconnecting from the container while sliding across uneven surfaces. All ITI skates are manufactured in the USA and made from a unique recycled material, making them stronger than wood, which provides the most durable and longest-lasting performance versus competitive products. Find the ITI Low Pro Pocket Plug Container Skate by shopping towing accessories on zips.com today.